Hello and welcome. I'm really excited. I get to pour over a record. I've been wanting to do it for a long time. Just haven't found a record that I was willing to pour over. But I finally found one. It was a line dancing. I don't think anyone will mind. So I'm going to do a ring pour on it today. The colors I am using are Artist Loft Flow Acrylic Black, the Flow Acrylic White, Deep Yellow, Light Magenta, and then three Liquitex Basics colors: Dioxazine Purple, Phthalo Blue, and Bright Aqua Green. Alright, let's get started. I haven't layered my cup yet, so I'll start doing that. And of course, remember, when you're doing a ring pour, the first color in your cup will be the last color out of your cup. So I'm going to put a little bit of white in. Move on to the deep yellow. Oh, and I should say my pouring medium today is the Elmer's Glue All in Water. And I hadn't quite decided if I was going to spin it or not, so I set it up to be spun. Alright, I'm probably going to layer just one more time, and that should be plenty of paint. But yeah, I figured no one would mind if I poured over a line dancing record. There was Johnny Cash, Hank Williams Sr., some Beatles, and I'm not going to pour over those, so. Then my black, and we'll start pouring this on the record. Okay, gonna do a ring pour. Okay, catch the drip. And I think I will spin it, but I'm gonna pop some air bubbles. Alright, let's spin this thing. I'm going to give it a little bit more of an umph this time. Alright. put a little too much yellow in it, but I still think it's pretty. I'm tempted to pour over it. No, I'm going to leave it. Alright, I'm going to pause you guys and take you in for a close-up. Alright, here we are for the close-up. I think my beginning layers were probably a little too thick in there. That's why the yellow, white, and pink took over, but I'm still happy with it. Alright, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you for watching. See you later. Bye. Alright, you guys. I'm going to go again. I put thinner layers in. I layered my cup the same way. This time I'm going to do it through a sink strainer. So, let's get started. Like I said, I put thinner layers in, but I did layer them the same way. And then I'm going to pause you guys, let this drain out, and I'll be back. Okay, I've let it drain out. I'm really hoping this is enough paint, but fingers crossed it is. I'm going to give it a quick torch. I see some air bubbles in the middle where the strainer was sitting. And I have a feeling I'm going to have to give this a really good spin. Oh, please be enough paint. Oh, maybe if I try the other way. We're getting there. I just fling paint all over it. Okay. Yeah, fling paint all over it. That'll help. Come on, you want to cover. You know you do. Alright. So my video doesn't cut off. I'm going to add some black around here. So I'm going to pause you guys, put some black right here, and then spin it again and see if that'll help. Alright, so I added some black. I'm going to give it a really quick spin, and hopefully it'll move that paint. Almost. One more spin should do it. I'm getting off center here. But that has covered it. So let me pause you and get you down for a close-up. Alright, and here we are on the close-up. Okay, so this is the first one. It is all dry. And it turned out pretty neat. And here we are for the second one. This side turned out very cool.
But then you get over to this side, and it's just not as cool. So alright, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this one, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.